Hi guys, this is Rakibur Rahman. Welcome to Technical Design. In this tutorial, I am going to look at some of the important status toggle key such as grid mode, snap mode, ortho mode, polar tracking mode, object snap and object snap tracking mode. So I will start with the very first point, that is grid mode. Now here in this screen you can find a background grid. You can turn on or turn off this grid by clicking on this grid icon or using F7 function key. This grid is an imaginary graph made into your AutoCAD window. By default, grid has 5 boxes horizontally and 5 boxes vertically. You can change this by right clicking on this grid icon and going to settings menu. Once you go into settings menu, you will find here the measure line every is 5. So change this whatever you want. Here I am choosing 10 and click on OK. Now we will find that grids are replaced with 10 boxes horizontally and 10 boxes vertically. You can also change the spacing of this grid. For that, again right click on grid and go to grid settings. Now you can change this grid spacing. By default, each block of the grid has the length of 10 unit and the width of 10 unit. Now you can change this whatever you want. For example, I am change this grid X spacing and grid Y spacing as 5, and after that click on OK button. So now each block of the grid has length of 5 unit and width of 5 unit. Now I will go back to change this as default value, that is 10 unit. Let's look at the snap mode, but before going to snap mode I will make an object like a rectangle. Now if you made a rectangle when the snap mode is inactive, you can see you are able to make it comfortably. But now I am active this snap mode by clicking on this icon or using F9 key. Then you can feel a strange behavior with the cursor. When you try to draw, the cursor only snap at the corner points of the grid, and that is what the snap mode is for. Now let us just snap mode off and the grid mode off. Now let's move on to the other status toggle key, that is ortho mode. Let's draw a line. For that, just click on this line tool and choose first point on your drawing screen. Next, move your cursor to this side and choose second point. Again, move your cursor to this side and choose third point. Now press escape key to exit the command. Now you can see that we can make an angular line or we can draw a line in any direction. So now turn on ortho mode by clicking this icon or using F9 F8 function key. Now again try to draw a line. Now you can only make a line along vertical and horizontal direction. You can't make an angular line while using ortho mode. Next is polar tracking. Let's turn on polar tracking by clicking this polar tracking icon or using F10 function key. As soon as you turn on polar tracking, ortho mode will be turned off automatically. Now we can make a line along any direction, but if I make a line along vertical and horizontal direction, we will find the green tracking vector. Now this green tracking vector tracks every 90-degree intervals. This is because in polar tracking it is in 90-degree. Now let's change it to 45-degree. Now to change it, right click on polar tracking and from here choose 45-degree, and then you will see that the polar tracking will appear at the interval of every 45-degree. You can also enable this polar tracking at certain angle which are specified here, but you can also specify your custom angle. So now let's specify a custom angle. For that, again go to settings. Now here check this additional angles. Now click on new tab and here type the angular value whatever you want. For example, I want to snap it at the angle of 60-degree. So type here 60 and then click on OK button. Now you can see that the tracking vector tracks every 60-degree intervals. Now let's move on to the another status toggle key, that is object snapping. Object snap is one of the most important tools in AutoCAD. You can't work without using object snap in AutoCAD. Now suppose I want to join this two line with an additional line. For that I have to go to the line command and draw a line. I tried my best to join it. Now let's zoom in. Now you can see that it has not joined properly. For proper joining, you need to turn on object snap by clicking this icon or using F11 function key. After turn on object snap, let's try to make it again. For that, again go to line command, and now you can see a box with the endpoint marker, and it will automatically attract towards that point, and it will exactly snap at that point. So object snap is basically used to snap line or other object geometry to certain points or certain grip points. Suppose you don't want to snap endpoint. For that, just click here and uncheck this endpoint. Now you can see that you are unable to snap the endpoint. Now from here you can set which point you want to snap and which point you don't want to snap. Now let's move on to the next status toggle key, that is object snap tracking. Object snap tracking can be used to create a geometry from points which are not visible on your screen. For example, in this drawing, if you want to draw a circle here, whose center point will be the intersecting point of these two lines, for that, go to circle command and first move your cursor to this end point, but don't click here. And now drag your mouse to this side and you will find this green tracking line. After that, just move your cursor to this end point and again don't click here. Just drag your cursor upwards and you can see that another green tracking line. So when the both tracking vector meet, a intersecting point will be created. And now when you click here, a circle will be drawn exactly at the intersecting point. Now enter the radius value which you want, then press enter. So here we have the circle. To turn on object snap tracking, just click on this icon or press F11 function key. For 2D drawing, always turn on Object Snap F3, Ortho Mode F8, Object Snap Tracking F11 and Dynamic Input F12. And for 3D drawing, always turn on Object Snap F3, 3D O Snap F4, Dynamic UCS F6 and Ortho Mode F8, Object Snap Tracking F11 and Dynamic Input F12. Here F4 function key basically used to turn on or turn off 3D object snap. It displays midpoint, center point, etc. of a face of 3D solid. Thank you very much. Please do hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel, Technical Design.